What is the major problem that you're seeing in nowadays in women, maybe after pregnancy?
एक कॉमन क्वेश्चन है जो मुझे हमेशा मेरे पेशेंट्स के पास से मिलता है।
Is this true कि क्या really ऐसे depressions, mood swings होते हैं या फिर someone makes up? What is the story?
डेफिनेटली इट इज़ नॉट मेड अप।
डॉक्टर जैसे कि अगर ये वो नहीं आते आपके पास,
करेक्ट।
so it was never been caught कि ऐसा कुछ है,
यस।
and ultimately maybe she might have caused some harm. In the last 1 year, she has met with 7 of such couples who were neglected towards their baby also. Why they were neglected? Because they don't want.
I would say, like we were talking about postpartum depression, this nuclear family status is again a one big factor, I would say.
Alright viewers, today we have Dr. अंकिता चौहान, एक यूपी की डॉक्टर जो हैदराबाद में आके बसी है। एंड ये स्टिग्मा नहीं है, बट हाँ, दिस इज़ द मोस्ट फन लविंग, एक्टिव एंड क्रिएटिव डॉक्टर दैट आई हैव मेट इन माई करियर ऑफ 2-3 years इन हैदराबाद। सो वेलकम डॉक्टर अंकिता।
वेलकम एवरीवन।
सो आपका जर्नी जो था, हमें जो थोड़ा बहुत आपसे पता चला इन 2 years, वी हैव नोन कि आप आगरा से हो, अब आप हैदराबाद सेटल्ड हो।
यस।
दिस इज़ फाइन, बट अगर आपको एक कंपैरिजन दिया जाए कि आगरा में होते तो कैसे पेशेंट्स मिलते, यहाँ पर आपको कैसे पेशेंट्स मिले, कुछ कंपैरिजन कभी पता चलता है दोस्तों से या किसी से कि यार मेरे पास ऐसा पेशेंट है, अभी ऐसा पेशेंट आ रहा है मेरे पास, हैदराबाद में तो ऐसे आते ही नहीं है?
नहीं, दोनों पे जगह पे थोड़ा ही डिफरेंस है, कोई बहुत मेजर डिफरेंस नहीं है। आई वुड से कि जब हम हैदराबाद की बात करें तो हैदराबाद में बहुत गूगल से पढ़ के पेशेंट आते हैं।
अच्छा।
आगरा में वो नहीं है। आगरा कंपैरेटिवली एक छोटा प्लेस है, तो वहाँ पे यूजुअली पेशेंट आते हैं जो किसी फ्रेंड ने रेफ़र किए होते हैं या आपने किसी पेशेंट को ट्रीट किया, उससे रेफ़र होके आते हैं। तो उनका ऑलरेडी आपके ऊपर एक ट्रस्ट होता है, तो दे कम विद दैट हार्ट कि हाँ ये डॉक्टर हमारा ट्रस्टवर्दी है, हम इसके पास जाएंगे तो एवरीथिंग विल बी फाइन। बट हैदराबाद में मेजरली इट्स अ कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर। जो पेशेंट्स आते हैं वो गूगल पे देख के आते हैं, ये डॉक्टर के कैसे रिव्यूज़ हैं, ये डॉक्टर कैसा है कैसा नहीं है, और वहाँ से ऑलरेडी आधा डायग्नोसिस बना के आते हैं कि डॉक्टर मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम है,
मैंने ये पिल लिया था,
हाँ मैंने ये पिल लिया था, मुझे ऐसा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, अभी क्या करना चाहिए। और अगर मैं उनको कुछ कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, आई हैड फ्यू पेशेंट्स कि उनको कुछ प्रिस्क्राइब किया, दे विल कम बैक टू यू कि डॉक्टर मुझे ना ये प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है एंड आई थिंक मुझे हेडेक है, मुझे ये है, मुझे वो है, मुझे फीवर है, मुझे वॉमिटिंग सेंसेशन है। और अगर आप उस चीज़ को गूगल करोगे ना, वो सेम पैटर्न में आपको गूगल पे मिल जाएगा। तो दिस इज़ द डिफरेंस। बट हाँ, हैदराबाद में वो भी है कि जो हमारे किसी फ्रेंड से जिनको पेशेंट को ट्रीट किया है, जो मैंने बोला कि आगरा में ऐसे पेशेंट्स आते हैं, वैसे पेशेंट्स भी आते हैं, बट उनका नंबर कंपैरेटिवली कम है।
थोड़े स्मार्ट है।
यस, टेक savvy आई वुड से।
टेक savvy, वही मैं बोला। सो यहाँ पर जैसे आईटी सेक्टर एक अच्छा बूम हो रहा है, तो वैसे टेक savvy पेशेंट्स आपको मिल रहे हैं।
पेशेंट भी वैसे ही हैं।
कंसर्न्स तो कॉमन रहते हैं पेशेंट्स के,
Yes.
मीन्स यू आर अ गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट, तो कंसर्न्स कॉमन रहेंगे कि ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये है। व्हाट इज़ द मेजर प्रॉब्लम दैट यू आर सीइंग इन नाउअडेज इन वुमेन, मे बी आफ्टर प्रेगनेंसी?
एक कॉमन क्वेश्चन है जो मुझे हमेशा मेरे पेशेंट्स के पास से मिलता है कि मैम अब हमारी डिलीवरी हो गई है, बट हमारे हस्बैंड्स को लगता है कि हमारे मूड स्विंग्स, हमारा जो डिप्रेशन है, हमारी जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, ये सब फेक है। उनको लगता है कि ये कुछ है ही नहीं, दिस इज़ ऑल आई एम मेकिंग अप बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू टेक केयर ऑफ माई बेबी और आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू गेन सम अटेंशन। This question always and always comes to me, and this is more common in couples who I have seen that during pregnancy the husband was very supportive. Throughout the pregnancy he was there for each and every checkup, he was taking care of the wife. During labor I've seen those husbands crying with their wives with the pain कि, and they will come to me कि मैम मेरे वाइफ को बहुत पेन हो रहा है, वी कांट टेक इट, सिजेरियन कर दो या कुछ तो कर दो, जल्दी डिलीवरी कर दो। ऐसे हस्बैंड्स की मुझे वाइफ से बहुत कंप्लेंट्स आती हैं
कि डिलीवरी होने के बाद
अभी तो ये सब झूठ है, कुछ तुमको ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है, दिस इज ऑल मूड स्विंग्स, ऑल योर डिप्रेशन इज ऑल फेक।
ऐसा ऐसा आते हैं।
ऐसे आते
तो
हैं।
इज दिस ट्रू कि क्या रियली ऐसे डिप्रेशंस मूड स्विंग्स होते हैं या फिर समवन मेक्स अप, व्हाट इज द स्टोरी?
डेफिनेटली इट इज़ नॉट मेड अप।
ओके।
ठीक है। postpartum blues, postpartum depression, anxiety, stress is much more common than we think. आधे से ज़्यादा केसेस रिपोर्ट ही नहीं होते हैं, तो हम लोगों को लगता ही नहीं है कि ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, बट दिस इज़ वेरी रियल एंड इट इज़ वेरी वेरी कॉमन इन ईच एंड एवरी फैमिली, ईच एंड एवरी प्रेग्नेंट पेशेंट आई हैव सीन. कुछ लोगों का बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सट्रीम होता है, कुछ लोगों का थोड़ा बहुत होता है, माइनर स्टेजेस
आपके
में होता
पास कुछ
है.
अभी कोई रीसेंट केस ऐसा कुछ आया हो?
यस, डेफिनेटली आया था. उसके ऊपर मैंने एक वीडियो भी बनाया है.
ओके।
A patient came to me, she was like कि मैम I have this severe urge that I just want to do some harmful thing to my baby.
सम हार्मफुल थिंग?
Thing to my baby.
अच्छा।
She doesn't want
Newborn?
to. Yes, newborn. Her baby was 1.5 month old. She's like, ma'am, I don't feel like taking care of my baby. I feel like just throwing him somewhere and not take care of the baby. And
ये रियल है?
yes, this is very much real. Yes, because I told you this is like a severe case of postpartum depression. जब अगर हम postpartum depression को early stages में ignore करें, उसका ध्यान ना दें, treat ना करें, या फिर family support ना मिले, तो definitely it can increase and it can increase to this level. Yes, it can. So this couple came to me and thanks to husband, thanks to the family, they identified that this is a problem, this is not something which she's trying to make up.
Acha.
And they
So
came
this
up.
was a positive thing.
Yes, that was a very positive thing from the husband side. They came, they seek for help and
मतलब
she's
पहले
treated.
तो हस्बैंड शॉक हो गया होगा।
I don't know how
उसकी
they
वाइफ बोली उसके
reacted.
बच्चे को मारना है।
I don't know. We are laughing right now, but it is not funny. I don't know how they
Obviously,
reacted,
yeah.
how they reacted among themselves. But when they came to me, they were mentally very much prepared to accept the help.
अच्छा।
कि yes, this is a problem and we need help.
And what help has to be given?
See, when we talk about the mild cases or the early stages, it's about the motivation and support from the husband and the family, along with the friends. Okay, it's not one man job. It takes whole village to raise a baby. ये आपने सुना होगा, and it really does. Same goes with the mother. When you talk about the mother, when we have to take care of the mother, it really takes a whole society to do that.
Correct.
So to begin with, identify the problem, motivate her, take care of her, which has to be done by the family, friends and the husband. Husband is a very important role here. And ultimately you have to visit a doctor, meet her or meet your doctor and start the medications. We do have medications which can take care of this problem.
बट डॉक्टर, जैसे थोड़ा कैजुअल वे में जा रहा हूँ इस कॉन्वर्सेशन को, कि अगर ये वो नहीं आते आपके पास,
Correct.
सो इट वाज नेवर बीन कॉट कि ऐसा कुछ है,
Yes.
एंड अल्टीमेटली मे बी शी माइट हैव कॉज सम हार्म.
Yes, there are cases recorded where new mothers have killed their own children just out of depression, because उनका depression identify
Was
नहीं
so
हुआ,
high.
identify नहीं हुआ, उतना ज़्यादा increase हो गया, and ultimately it ended up in, I would say, it ended up in.
एंड दिस इज नॉट इन द केस कि वो बॉय है कि गर्ल है.
No, 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 no. It is not about.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता
No,
है.
no. It is not about the gender of the baby. It is just the postpartum depression, which is making the mother think that I don't want this child.
तो मैं मतलब आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेट दिस थिंग कि ऐसा भी क्या डिप्रेशन हो जाता है कि मतलब अपने ही बच्चे को मारना. नो वन कैन थिंक, आई ऑल्सो हैव अ किड, आई विल ऑल्सो नॉट थिंक, बट ऐसा क्या डिप्रेशन इतना क्या मेजर हो जाता है?
Okay. When we talk about this, have you heard about adults जो suicide commit कर लेते हैं out of depression?
हाँ.
अगर कोई खुद को मार सकता है,
बट इट
तो
टेक्स अ
अपने
लॉट.
आसपास वालों
Takes
को
a
भी मार
lot.
सकता है. Yes, I know it takes a lot. That mother has gone through 9 months of pregnancy. Now she's battling, I would say, battling and handling with the postpartum thing on her own. Okay, sometimes it does happen in the families where पूरा support system है, intact है, but still that urge or the hormonal changes which is going into her, it is so severe, it is so devastating for her, I would say. It is so difficult for her to handle that she ultimately reaches there. If someone can kill herself or themselves, definitely they can kill somebody around them.
अच्छा, आपका क्या रिएक्शन रहता है? ऐसे पेशेंट आएंगे मेरे पास आएंगे तो हम तो पहले हंस देंगे.
No.
आई विल से कि क्या पागल हो.
नहीं.
बट व्हाट, हाउ डू यू हैंडल दिस?
See, for me, this is very sensitive topic, एंड दिस इज़ वेरी रियल, आई वुड से, लाइक आई सेड कि ये चीज़ें कोई बनाता नहीं है, ये उनके दिमाग का वहम नहीं है, हेलुसिनेशन नहीं है, दिस इज़ वेरी मच रियल. सो फॉर मी, anybody who comes to me like this, I would definitely not laugh on them. They need the care, they need that empathy to handle them properly. If we miss that one chance, we can lead to, you know, some mishap happening.
इसमें do you prescribe medications
Yes.
or therapy?
No, it is starts with medication.
Start with medication.
Yes, starts
Antidepressants.
with, yes, it starts with medication, and it is, again I said, it's a combination of support system and along with the therapy. Yes.
So
Some mothers might need that psychotherapy.
हाँ, मैं उसी पे आ रहा था.
Yes,
कि
some
I
mothers
have
might
seen-
need psychotherapy
Actually, I
along with
have
the
a
medication.
client. उसमें she is from Mumbai.
Okay.
And उन्होंने मेरे को ये बताया कि in the last 1 year she has met with 7 of such couples who who were neglected towards their baby also. Why they were neglected? Because they don't want him or her in their life anymore, and this is just after 1 year or 1.5 year.
This is a different situation what
ये
you're
वो
talking
नहीं
about.
होता है?
ये postpartum depression नहीं है. Postpartum depression mainly happens with the mother. Mainly, I would say that. When the condition which you are telling कि couple है, couple को वो baby ही नहीं चाहिए after a particular time.
हाँ,
or
they
duration.
neglect कि
They
ठीक है,
neglect
जो
the
होता है,
baby.
होता है, पता नहीं, हमें नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ, this usually happens in the families जहाँ पे couple was not mentally ready to have a child. Okay, but because of the societal pressure, or because that biological clock is ticking, or their parents forced them to have a child कि अभी बहुत हो गया, अभी तुम लोगों की शादी को टाइम हो गया, अभी तुम्हारा पर्टिकुलर एज हो रहा है, अब तो कर लो, राइट एज में बच्चा हो जाना चाहिए. when couples decide to have a baby under that pressure, yes,
तब ये प्रॉब्लम आती है.
eventually they will do it, they will have the baby.
Correct.
But once they have to handle that small human being with them, उसका पूरा requirements fulfill करना पड़ता है, तब उनका reality check होता है कि नहीं, this is not what we wanted in our life.
तो that is not depression.
That is not depression, that is different.
तो ऐसे कोई पेशेंट्स आते हैं, या what is the way out treating those patients?
That is mostly therapy.
Psychological.
That is mostly psychological and mostly therapy. It is basically situational कि they are in a particular situation which they never wanted in their life.
अच्छा, अभी yesterday there is a news released कि Russia has announced. Have you heard about that news? Russia has announced to grow their population. They are saying it out loud that grow your population, grow our population. We will sponsor dates, and they will switch off all the electronics by 10 p.m.
Okay.
so that people spend time together. क्या ये सही है? Means
रशिया ने जो अनाउंस किया वो है, बट यस, जो आप मुझे बोल रहे हो कि वी विल स्विच ऑफ आवर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बाय 10 o'clock, yes, that is, again, this is happening. I have seen so many couples coming to us telling me that they are planning pregnancy, but when you go see, when somebody is planning pregnancy, they have to have that intimate time together, they have to spend that time together.
First of all, I don't understand this planning pregnancy क्या होता है. मतलब why do you need to plan it? मतलब I became a father last August, so मतलब no, there is nothing called planning in it.
Why not?
It is not rocket science.
इट इज़ नॉट रॉकेट साइंस फॉर समबडी जिसके साथ ईजिली हो जाता है.
हाँ.
बट जिसके साथ ईजिली नहीं होता है उसके लिए प्लानिंग प्रेगनेंसी ही लगता है. एंड इन प्रेजेंट टाइम्स व्हेन एवरीबडी सी, इट इज़ लाइक even the mother is working, even the father is working, both partners in the couple is working, so definitely they need to plan the pregnancy, they need to plan their career according to that, they need to plan their finances according to that. In present times, raising a child is not a cakewalk, so it needs lot of planning. And in present times, because girls are more educated, I would say girls are more going for higher education, they are working, they are trying to achieve something in their careers. So when this is all happening, हमारी मम्मियों के जनरेशन में everybody used to get married in their late teens or early 20s, but now because of all this, girls are getting married in late 20s or early 30s. ठीक है. So when
late 20s early 30s में ही हो रहा है,
yes, late 20s or early 30s is the time when the girls are getting
married.
So definitely their fertility is getting affected. चाहे
Correct.
we accept it or we do deny
Correct.
this fact.
This is absolutely
Yes,
correct.
this is not which we can hide or which we can ignore.
This is absolutely, and I
Yes.
think ये वो जानते हैं, उसके बाद भी they get married late.
वो जानते हैं, still they get married
And
late
they are dependent कि
because,
चलो ठीक है, we'll take some treatment and we'll get it done.
because उनके प्रायोरिटीज चेंज हो गए.
हाँ.
प्रायोरिटीज इन लाइफ हैव चेंज. पहले एक टाइम था जब गर्ल्स के लिए कि हाँ ठीक है, आई एम नॉट स्टीरियोटाइपिंग गर्ल्स, बट हाँ एक टाइम था जब कि हाँ बड़े होंगे, शादी होगा, हस्बैंड
Settle.
विल टेक केयर ऑफ दैट. बट नाउ इट इज़ नॉट दैट. गर्ल्स आर मोर इंडिपेंडेंट. दे आर सेल्फ मेड गर्ल्स. Everything has to be taken care by by themselves, I would say. So for that they have to be educated. They have to be in a kind of a career where they can achieve and they can earn whatever they want to do.
Honestly, when we thought of having a baby, I mean, there was nothing called planning. Like whatever you are saying, कि financial planning, everything, like, I didn't give a second thought कि क्या है ये, what is it.
Like I
We
said,
were like कि, and we are not that financially sound also, that हम लोग अंबानी है या whatever, but हाँ, we were like कि ठीक है, and no one expected, we also didn't expect, we just got the news.
so again I said कि एक पर्टिकुलर एज के बाद व्हेन गर्ल्स स्टार्ट प्लानिंग, ऑफ कोर्स उनका फर्टिलिटी अफेक्टेड हो चुका है, सो दे विल नीड सम मेडिकल हेल्प. ठीक है, दे विल नीड सम प्लानिंग बिकॉज ऑफ द करियर, बिकॉज एंड आज प्रेजेंट टाइम्स में, लाइक एज फार एज आई नो अबाउट योर फैमिली, यू स्टे विद योर पेरेंट्स.
Yes.
ठीक है. When we talk about Hyderabad, because of the corporate culture, most of the couples are staying alone.
This is the worst thing, I guess.
So it's only husband and wife. So once the third person comes, that's a child. Who is going to take care of that child?
That's
that
what
takes
I
the
think
planning.
this nuclear family wala concept is the worst thing that we have adopted.
It is, again, it's a personal choice. It is their own thought process, what it brings to them, brings to the nuclear family situation, I would say. And I would say, like we were talking about postpartum depression, this nuclear family status is again a one big factor, I would say, when we talk about something like postpartum depression. Because delivery हो गया, husband चला गया काम पे,
वो अकेले है.
वाइफ और बच्चा घर में अकेले हैं. ठीक है. बट व्हेन वी हैव अ जॉइंट फैमिली, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आर देयर टू टेक केयर ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन, और यू नो कजिन्स,
And someone is there to talk also.
टॉक ऑल्सो, कजिन्स हैं घर में, पहले और बच्चे हैं.
Yes.
तो वो बच्चे आपका एंटरटेनमेंट करते रहते हैं और वो बच्चे का ध्यान भी रखते रहते हैं. जब आप स्पेशली अगर आप देखोगे कि जब घर में दो बच्चे होते हैं, व्हेन द यंगर वन कम्स, द एल्डर वन इज लाइक हाफ रेडी टू टेक केयर ऑफ द यंगर वन, कि ये ला दो,
करेक्ट,
नैपी चेंज कर दो, बॉटल उठा
Correct,
के उधर
correct.
ला
That
दो.
is a helping
तो
hand.
हाफ इट्स अ हेल्पिंग हैंड एंड हाफ वर्क इज ऑलरेडी डन बाय द
Correct.
एल्डर चाइल्ड. बट दैट डज नॉट हैपन व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द न्यूक्लियर
nuclear
फैमिली.
families.
So when she is not talking to anybody, when she doesn't have anybody to talk to, and पूरे दिन she is stuck taking care of that child. So yes, that brings in postpartum depression and anxiety, stress, I would say.
So main जड़ है nuclear family.
Not main जड़ hormonal changes हैं, but yes,
And also
nuclear
being alone.
family adds on.
And also being alone.
Being alone.
Being alone.
Being
that
alone.
that creates the stress.
Yes. Being alone, not having somebody to take care of, not having somebody to talk about it, and not sharing the responsibility. Ultimately, जब पूरा काम उसको करना है ना, उसके पास टाइम नहीं है सेल्फ केयर का, उसके पास टाइम नहीं है टू स्लीप, टू टेक रेस्ट. एंड जब somebody is not rested enough, not fed well fed enough, I would say, तो डेफिनेटली वो एंजाइटी, वो डिप्रेशन, स्ट्रेस लेवल्स बढ़ने ही वाला है.
क्या ये पहले भी था इंडिया में?
पहले भी था, हमेशा से था, बट मे बी उतना ज़्यादा नहीं था. Like now we are more aware about it, तो we are talking more about it still.
And what about the western part? कि वहाँ अब ज़्यादा होगा फिर तो?
Yes, definitely वहाँ पे भी है, वहाँ पे भी है. If you go online, if you search about it, you will get it much more common there. Because वहाँ पे again nuclear families very much ज़्यादा है. वहाँ पे help मिलना, हाउस हेल्प मिलना कितना मुश्किल है, तो घर का काम भी उसी को करना है,
वो उसी को करना
और बाकी काम भी
हाउस हेल्प इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव आल्सो, इट्स नॉट रेडीली अवेलेबल. इंडिया में रेडीली अवेलेबल है.
यस.
तो मतलब आई थिंक वहाँ ज़्यादा ये प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होती होगी ऑफ डिप्रेशन एंड ऑल एंजाइटी.
बट अवेयरनेस ज़्यादा है वहाँ पे, अवेयरनेस ज़्यादा है. पीपल आर, आई वुड से कि दे टॉक अबाउट इट, मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में लोग बात करते हैं, तो इफ़ दे फील कि दिस इज़ द प्रॉब्लम, दे स्टार्ट सीकिंग हेल्प अर्ली.
And they talk to their partner.
They talk to their partner, they talk to therapist, they talk to their doctors, which is much more available in Western countries, I would say. When we go here and we, like you said, कि अगर मेरे पास कोई आएगा और ऐसे बोलेगा तो मैं हंस दूंगा उसके ऊपर.
Correct.
तो that does not happen there.
Correct. मतलब
Because again,
मेरे
it is the
part में तो-
awareness.
हाँ.
It is the awareness which counts.
मेरे बारे में तो आई विल सिंपली से कि क्या मजाक है ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. मतलब दैट इज हाउ आई विल मेक इट साउंड कि दिस इज एक्चुअली नथिंग. आप क्यों इतना टेंशन ले रहे हो?
This is somebody who is not aware about it will definitely talk like that.
करेक्ट. आई वाज नॉट अवेयर अबाउट इट.
Yes.
एब्सोल्युटली. मतलब कल या परसों आपसे बात हो रही थी तब आपने ये चीज़ बताया एंड आई थॉट ऑफ डूइंग अ पॉडकास्ट ऑन इट. एंड जस्ट बिकॉज आई वाज डूइंग अ पॉडकास्ट आई डिस्कस इट विद माय वाइफ कि ये ऐसा टॉपिक भी है. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ टॉपिक जो माइट बी वी माइट फेस. गॉड नोस कुछ भी हो सकता है.
So did you get 2 cents of her brain?
लाइक इट्स ओके नाउ. ऐसा कुछ है नहीं.
I think she's, because again she is in a family जहाँ पे बाकी लोग हैं उसका ध्यान रखने के लिए, she's out of that situation, तो it's
The
okay.
grandparents give a lot of time
Yes.
to my kid. मतलब morning, afternoon, evening. मतलब my kid is more attached than me to my father.
India में when we talk about joint family and when we talk about grandparents being around a child, जब when a child comes into the family, grandparents take it as if it's their responsibility,
Correct.
it is their duty to take care of that child. उनका बाकी सब काम secondary है. उनका life it rotates around that one child. So yes, it makes mother का life
कहावत
very
है ना,
easy.
मूल से ज्यादा ब्याज अच्छा लगता है.
Yes, yes.
हमारे नॉर्थ में यही कहावत है.
I know very much. I'm from Agra, so of course
तो
I
वो
know
सब
that.
बोलते हैं कि ये तो ब्याज है, इसका तो ज्यादा ध्यान रखना है, तुम क्या हो. अभी ये सिचुएशन है घर पे.
Yes.
एंड समटाइम्स आई फील दैट एंजाइटी बिकॉज आई एम द यंगेस्ट इन माई होम. एंड मेरा हमेशा था कि मुन्ना मुन्ना इस टाइप का. नाउ समटाइम्स हमें लगता है कि ये क्या हो रहा है. दैट वो मेरे पास था.
Are you anxious or you're jealous?
नन एक्चुअली वो बस कभी कभी यू नो
Limelight चला गया.
हाँ लाइमलाइट चला गया. आई वॉज इन दैट लाइमलाइट पोजिशन की ऑफ एवरीवन्स अटेंशन. अभी वो नहीं है. अभी सिंस आई एम ट्रैवलिंग नो वन केयर्स. हाँ ठीक है, ही हैज टू गो इट्स ओके, गो जाइए.
So they are making your life easy. Nobody is cribbing
हाँ
about
एक्चुअली माई फैमिली इज सपोर्टिंग माई लाइफ अ लॉट. बीइंग आफ्टर बिकमिंग अ फादर बहुत डिफिकल्ट था लाइफ हैंडल करना, बिजनेस हैंडल करना. दे आर सपोर्टिंग अ लॉट. बट माई नेक्स्ट थिंग विच आई वॉन्ट टू डिस्कस विथ यू कि जो पोस्टमार्टम स्ट्रेस एंड जो भी ये एंगजाइटी फीलिंग वॉट एवर कम्स अप, हाउ लॉन्ग इट हैज़ टू बी देयर और इट स्टेज विद द मदर. कितना टाइम तक रहता है?
See, for some mothers, it can start immediately within weeks of delivery.
ओके.
Okay. For some mothers, it takes a lot of time and it can be there up to 1 year.
अप टू 1 year.
Yes, up to 1 year also. It does not mean if somebody is coming to me after 8 months of delivery with something like these kind of symptoms, it does not mean that we rule out postpartum depression. Yes, postpartum depression can happen anytime up to 1 year after delivery. But yes, it is less common later, like maybe 5-6 months later after delivery, but it is much more common immediately after delivery within first 2-3 months.
मतलब 1 साल तक द मदर स्टेज इन डिप्रेशन आउट ऑफ इट.
They can.
दे कैन. दिस इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी.
Yes, this is a
एंड इस बीच में कुछ भी हो सकता है.
कुछ भी हो सकता है.
ऑब्वियसली कुछ भी हो सकता है इस बीच में.
Yes.
हाँ मतलब टेक्निकली आप देखो तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. आउट ऑफ डिप्रेशन मदर कैन ऑल्सो टेक अ सुसाइड कॉल
Yes, that is also very common.
कि आई विल नॉट हार्म माई बेबी, मैं ही प्रॉब्लम हूँ, लेट मी गो आउट.
That guilt trip बहुत common है कि I am not able to take care of my baby, I am not able to breastfeed my child. The females who are suffering with lactation suppression और lactational proper नहीं है, तो उनका गिल्ट ट्रिप बहुत होता है. सोसाइटी ने इतना ज़्यादा उनके आसपास ये एक आइडियल मदर का एक पिक्चर क्रिएट कर दिया है कि दिस इज़ हाउ अ आइडियल मदर शुड बी. तो वो आइडियल मदर को इमेजिन कर करके खुद को ही गिल्ट ट्रिप करते रहते हैं. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वन कॉज ऑफ पोस्टमार्टम डिप्रेशन कि आई एम नॉट एबल टू टेक केयर ऑफ माई चाइल्ड, आई एम नॉट बीइंग अ गुड मदर, आई एम नॉट entirely taking care of what this child needs, so I'm lacking somewhere, I'm not good mother. तो ये not good mother उसको मेंटली बहुत ही ज़्यादा नेगेटिवली हार्म करता है मदर
जो मेंटल हेल्थ की बात करो, अभी रिसेंटली एक मूवी रिलीज हुई थी, इफ़ यू हैव सीन मिसेस.
नो आई नॉट
Okay, Mrs. एक movie, it was on a limelight a lot.
ओके
So it talks about the mental health of a woman, not on a pregnancy note, but a woman जो अपने ड्रीम्स परस्यू करना चाहती है एज ए डांसर, एज ए डांस टीचर, बट इज स्टक इन द हाउस होल्ड एक्टिविटीज़ एंड आउट ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रेशन एट द एंड सी कॉल्स ऑफ कि बहुत हो गया. But I feel, and she had a, suppose joint family, in-laws were there. But what I feel currently, I don't know, I could be wrong, but my perception is that women are being fed by the society in a wrong way. That you need to have a career, you need to have a life. Means if some women, they don't have a life, they don't have a life out of their child home, they are treated in a very different way. कि क्या आप घर में बैठे रहते हो.
अगेन इट इज़ लाइक दिस इज़ ऑल, आई थिंक दिस इज़ ऑल मेड अप बाय द सोसाइटी. किसी एक इंडिविजुअल का परसेप्शन नहीं है. देयर वाज टाइम जब ऑल मेजॉरिटी आई वुड से मेजॉरिटी फीमेल्स वर हाउसवाइफ्स टेकिंग
Correct.
केयर ऑफ द हाउस. ठीक है, that time if somebody is moving out of the house to choose a career or do some business or any job,
तो वो नेगेटिव लेता था.
वो नेगेटिव लाइमलाइट में आ जाएंगे कि व्हाट यू आर गोइंग आउट ऑफ द
अपना
चाइल्ड, यू आर
घर
नॉट टेकिंग
परिवार
केयर
का
ऑफ
ध्यान नहीं
योर
रख रहे हो.
सन और योर चिल्ड्रन और यू आर नॉट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर हस्बैंड और इन लॉज. वो हमारा एज अ सोसाइटी यू कैन से हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है टू डिग्रेड द पर्सन हु इज ट्राइंग समथिंग
New.
डिफरेंट,
हाँ.
something different out of the box, different thing. Now, like eventually now we are growing, we are more into, you know, females have to study or they have to achieve something in their careers, they have to be independent. Now we are into that phase. So when we are into that phase, majority females are working and earning good amount or whatever. Now, if somebody chooses, again, it's her personal choice and it should be respected. If somebody chooses to be a homemaker and be close to the family, taking care of their children or husband or in-laws or whoever is at home, if she wants to do that, let her be. But no, as a society, it is our responsibility to degrade that person. That is what we are doing. चाहे फिर majority कुछ भी करे,
Correct.
जो out of the league जाएगा, उसको हम
एंड आई थिंक वही मेन प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है सारे प्रॉब्लम्स का. बिकॉज आई हैव बीन सीइंग दिस, नोटिसिंग दिस, कि जब कोई भी, नॉट जस्ट वुमेन, इट्स इन मेन ऑल्सो नाउ, कि ठीक है उस बंदे को काम नहीं करना है, ही इज़ टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द हाउस, ही इज़ टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द फैमिली, एवरीवन, ठीक है, द फीमेल इज़ वर्किंग, फाइन, ये उनका पर्सनल चॉइस है, नोबडी इज़ इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट, बट द फैमिली विल, आउट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी दे विल क्वेश्चन, दे विल क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लम. ये आजकल हो रहा है.
सोसाइटी ने हर चीज़ का ना एक जनरल पर्सोना बना दिया है कि ये इस तरीके से होना चाहिए, ये इस तरीके से होना चाहिए. जैसे पहले
मेल है
था,
तो ये, फीमेल
हाँ,
है तो
मेल
ये.
है तो ही हैज़ टू बी द प्रोवाइडर, ही हैज़ टू बी द केयर टेकर, ही हैज़ टू do everything, he has to go out of the house and do that. When it comes to female, I'm not talking about the present times, but when it comes to the female, she has to be the homemaker, she
Correct.
has to be the mother, she has to be the wife and she has to be the bahu. ठीक है, तो इससे अगेन आई सेड सोसाइटी का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है आउट ऑफ द लीग जाके, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स जाके, जब कोई भी कुछ भी काम करेगा तो उसको हम डिग्रेड करेंगे. नाउ इफ़ एज अ कपल, इफ़ the male partner decides ki no, I am going to stay home, I am going to take care of the children and the house,
Correct.
it is their personal choice, but no, we are not going to accept that. But as a female, if the as a couple together they decide the female is going to go out and be the man of the house, again I am only saying
Correct.
the man of the house, if she decides that she has to go out and work and earn for the family, it's their personal choice, let them be. But नहीं, हम नहीं करने देंगे उनको, ये हम उनको डिग्रेड करेंगे, ये हमारी सोसाइटल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है.
सोसाइटल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
Yes.
है उसको. आपको कभी ऐसा कुछ फील हुआ है कि यू आर बीइंग डिग्रेडेड बाय द सोसाइटी, और एज अ डॉक्टर सोसाइटी के तौर पे?
I would not say, I would consider myself lucky in that sense. I would say when I was young, I come from a family, again, because when I was younger, तभी that change was very much there. It has just begun कि लड़कियों को पढ़ाना है. So I come from a family जहाँ पे लड़कियों को educate करना is a big trouble.
अच्छा.
Okay, but my parents, my mom and my dad, they were very clear from the day one, from the day I was born, कि नहीं, we are going to educate our girl, not
Give the
girl,
best.
boy also, I would say, it's me and my brother. So they were very clear that we are going to educate our children and let them be whatever they want to be in the life, let them be. So when I was growing up, my parents, I would say, they never stopped me for anything. If I want to join something, some sports activity which is usually done by the boys, they were like, okay, go ahead, do it. If I want to do something which is to be done by the girls, they were like, okay, go ahead, do it. They never tagged any gender with any activity. When I was growing up, they let me be what I wanted to be. When I wanted to be a doctor, yeah, they were like, okay, yeah, do it, go ahead. You want to study. When I said, okay, I have to move out of the house, I would say I was the first child in my whole extended family who moved out of the house to study. And my parents were very well supportive in that. When my parents were supporting me, they were, I would say, my uncles, my aunts, my neighbors, who were telling them, why you are educating a girl? All you have to do is just get her married. That's it. जितना तो जैसे आप यूपी के हो तो आपको यू नो इट वेरी वेल कि वहाँ पे आज से आई वुड से 30 इयर्स पहले लड़कियों को पढ़ाना कितना मुश्किल था. सो सेम थिंग माई पेरेंट्स व्हेन दे वर ट्राइंग टू एजुकेट मी एंड स्पेंड मनी ऑन दैट, द नेबर्स, द सोसाइटी, दे वर लाइक कि वाई यू आर स्पेंडिंग सो मच, ये सब पैसा तो उसकी शादी में यूज कर लेना, बस उतना ही करना है ना तुमको,
फायदेमंद रहेगा.
बट नहीं, माई पेरेंट्स डिसाइडेड नो, आई हैव टू एजुकेट माई चिल्ड्रन एंड लेट देम डू वट एवर दे डू. जो भी उनका फ्यूचर रहेगा, they have to do it, they have to make that future for themselves.
अब यूपी जाते हो?
हाँ, जाती हूँ.
जाते हो. लास्ट कैसा विजिट था? लास्ट विजिट का क्या एक्सपीरियंस था?
मैं यूपी आई वुड से अभी बिकॉज ऑफ द टाइप ऑफ करियर आई एम इनटू, आई यूजुअली डू नॉट गो वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली, आई गो लाइक वंस इन अ ईयर. बट मैं जब भी जाती हूँ, आई प्रेफर टू स्टे एट होम बिकॉज मैं वहाँ घूमने नहीं जा रही हूँ. आई एम गोइंग होम.
ताजमहल?
ताजमहल इज़ ओनली फॉर विजिटर्स और फॉर रिलेटिव्स, दैट्स इट. बट हाँ, जब भी मैं जाती हूँ तो आई want to visit my home. I feel like staying at home, being around my parents, being around my brother, my niece, my family, that's it. So ज़्यादा घूमना नहीं होता है जब भी जाती हूँ, बस घर में घर का आराम होता है.
सबसे बेस्ट मेमोरी आगरा की जो आपके बचपन से रिलेटेड हो, जो आपको मीन्स ऐसा होता है ना एक मेमोरी जो हमेशा याद रहती है कि अगर होम बोलते हो सबसे पहले वो याद आता है.
My father.
My father is my home. वो तो एक पर्सन हो गए. कुछ मेमोरी उनसे रिलेटेड, जैसे when I remember home, my home is something which is very emotional to me. That is not Banaras. That is not Banaras.
Okay.
My home is in West Bengal.
Okay.
So that is very emotional and very close to me. If home means वो आता है.
आई वुड से कि सर आगरा से रिलेटेड कोई ऐसा स्पेशल मेमोरी नहीं है, फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग, बिकॉज आई अग्री आई एम फ्रॉम आगरा, बट आई हैव नॉट स्पेंट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम इन आगरा. आई वॉज देयर टिल माई ग्रेड 6. उसके बाद आई वॉज देयर टिल माई ग्रेड 6. माई पेरेंट्स आर स्टिल देयर, बट आई वॉज मूव्ड टू हॉस्टल फॉर एजुकेशन पर्पस. आई वॉज इन उत्तरांचल.
अच्छा.
Yes, near Nainital there is a place known as Ranikhet.
हाँ, रानीखेत जानते हैं.
Yes. So there was a hostel there. There is a hostel there. So I've studied my grade 7 to grade 12 there. So उसके बाद MBBS, then PG. So everything has it has gone through the hostel. So I was in hostel for majority of my childhood.
अच्छा, क्लास 6 से लेके
क्लास
MBBS
7 से लेके
PG तक. PG तक हॉस्टल में.
PG तक हॉस्टल में.
वहीं पर.
नहीं, different
hospital hostel.
Yes.
अरे बाप.
Because when I was younger, no, education system was not very good in Agra, I would say that. Like, and my parents were determined कि इसको पढ़ाना है. Whatever it takes, even if it takes to, put their heart out and send it to some other place, they were okay with it. They were like, okay, challenge accepted. We will do it. So yes, I was in hostel.
You have a boy.
Yes, I have a boy. I have a son.
You have a son. Sorry.
Yes, I have a son.
You have a son. जैसे means out of curiosity I'm asking. Don't take it otherwise. मतलब मेरे को what I see in the culture, बेटा हो गया happy है. But there is a need कि बेटी भी हो. There is a need कि बेटी हो गया ठीक है, अब complete है. और अगर बेटी हो गई पहले, बेटी क्यों हो गई, बेटा होना चाहिए था. This myth is there.
Yes. See, again, it's an individual choice. But when I was expecting, me and my husband both both of us, I would say, both of us wanted a girl.
अच्छा.
हाँ, yes, both of us wanted a girl, but when I delivered a boy, I don't want to tell this on camera, but I was not happy about it that I had a boy. But yeah, ठीक है. So, but now I love my son, no doubt about it.
Obviously.
Yes. Initially, definitely we planned कि हाँ वही एक लड़का होगा, एक लड़की होगी, family complete हो जाएगा. But yeah, once we had a boy, my boy is growing up and everything. Now I don't think so I can handle one more child with given my career, the kind of time my career requires. I don't think so I can handle another
करियर
child.
कैसा चल रहा है आपके अकॉर्डिंग अभी? मतलब एक होता है ना, सबका एक पर्सनल गोल रहता है कि दिस इज माय करियर. लाइक मेरा गोल, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, आई एम डूइंग 70% ऑफ माय करियर गोल्स.
मेरे गोल्स हमेशा ऐसे रहे ना जो मैं अचीव ही नहीं कर पाती हूँ. आई वुड से अचीव नहीं कर पाती.
तो वही एक्चुअल गोल्स
लाइक यू आर समवेयर क्लोज टू योर गोल, नो गोल शिफ्ट्स.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली.
सेल्फली ऐसा नहीं है कि वो नॉन
यहाँ तक
अचीवेबल
पहुँच गए,
है.
चलो वहाँ
हाँ,
चलते हैं.
अब यहाँ तक पहुँच गए ना, अब हमें ये
वहाँ
चाहिए,
चलते हैं.
अब हमें ये चाहिए. तो गोल तो हमेशा रहेगा. टारगेट, आई इज ऑलवेज ऑन द टारगेट, वो हमेशा रहेगी. यस, वी आर ऑन द डायरेक्शन, चल रहे हैं, जा रहे
अभी
हैं.
क्या टारगेट है आपका नेक्स्ट?
टारगेट इज जस्ट टू हेल्प पीपल. उसमें यस, सोशल मीडिया इज वन ऑफ द थिंग इन दैट. दैट इज the whole thing I'm trying to do through my social media, trying to spread the education awareness about the topics जो commonly लोग बात नहीं करते हैं, या people who cannot reach me because they are not in Hyderabad or they are outside or they are not just comfortable coming to the clinic or to the hospital, or for whatever reason if they are not comfortable approaching. So that is, I believe that is what social media plays a good role in.
Like when I came to Hyderabad and I expanded my work in doctors.
Yes.
So automatically क्या हुआ ना, my family became very comfortable. कि कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो एक बार उन मैम से बात करें क्या एक बार. आई थिंक माई वाइफ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड यू वंस कि एक बार उधर, इवन माई स्टाफ, सर एक बार मैम से बात कर ले क्या, ये दिस इज द थिंग. सो कहीं ना कहीं वो है, नीड है लोगों की, बिकॉज वहाँ के, आई वोंट से डॉक्टर्स या फिर एक्चुअली द मेडिकल एनवायरनमेंट ओवर देयर इज सच दैट इतना ज़्यादा अवेलेबिलिटी ऑन फोन नहीं है.
I would say it is more of professional.
हाँ.
ठीक है. When I consider myself as a doctor, along with the professional, there comes a role to be personal. Okay. So when I connect to my patients on a personal level, I think I can understand their requirements better and is able to treat them better. So I feel only that is the difference. वरना major as such कोई difference नहीं है. हम सब ने ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर पढ़ाई की है, सारे डॉक्टर्स सेम ही पढ़ाई करके आते हैं, बट इट जस्ट दैट एम्पैथी, अगेन इट जस्ट अबाउट द एम्पैथी, द यू नो आई वुड से दैट नीड और दैट I would say that dedication to give a personal touch to your profession. That is the only difference.
वो लैकिंग मेरे को दिखती है नॉर्थ में. I don't know why, because नॉर्थ में भी नहीं, मतलब दिल्ली साइड कहीं ना कहीं है वो तभी भी, but the rest of the UP, बिहार, झारखंड, if you go all this belt, I guess MP, this area also, यहाँ पर it's very different.
Yes.
I have been UP, बिहार, झारखंड सब जगह. वहाँ पर क्या है ना कि okay you have this problem, एक बार आ जाइए.
हाँ. Again.
They insist और कि आ जाइए, I will see you and then treat you.
हाँ, एक like I said कि वो थोड़ा प्रोफेशनलिज्म है.
हाँ.
एंड एक और डिफरेंस एज अ पेशेंट ऑल्सो देयर इज सम डिफरेंस, आई वुड से. जैसे मैंने अभी स्टार्टिंग में आपको मतलब बोला था कि यहाँ पे कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर के पेशेंट्स ज़्यादा है, तो दे आर ऑन सोशल मीडिया मच मोर कंपेयर टू आई वुड से पीपल इन नॉर्थ, जहाँ पे सोशल और आई वुड से कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर उतना नहीं है, वो उतना ज़्यादा सोशल मीडिया पे नहीं है. दे आर यूजिंग सोशल मीडिया, बट फॉर देम सोशल मीडिया इज़ अ सोर्स ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट.
दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, बिकॉज मेरे वहाँ भी क्लाइंट्स है एंड फ्रेंड्स भी बन गए आजकल क्लाइंट्स. सो व्हेन वी सिट एंड आई से कि दे आस्क मी कैसे चल रहा है हैदराबाद, व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, डॉक्टर्स आर देयर. व्हेन द फर्स्ट टाइम डॉक्टर्स को भी ज़रूरत पड़ती है. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट, डॉक्टर्स को भी ज़रूरत पड़ती है. आई सेड यस, वहाँ कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर है, दिस इज द मेन नीड ऑफ डॉक्टर्स.
आई वुड से कि when I come on social media or when I started social media, it was not my requirement to get patients or to attract patients. My whole idea of being available on social media was, again I said, was to create some awareness, spread some awareness, and be available for the masses.
Correct, that is
When
what you
I am
said.
sitting in a clinic or when I'm sitting in a hospital, in a day maximum I think I can talk to is some 10 or 20 people in my full day. Okay, along with the deliveries or surgeries I'm going to do on that day. But when I come on a social media, in 1 minute reel or in 1 minute content creation,
You
whatever
are
I'm
reaching out
doing,
to a lot of people.
I'm reaching lakhs and lakhs of people.
That is
So
a huge difference.
yeah, that is the huge difference. And whatever I'm saying, yeah, people can listen to it if they want to follow it, if they think I'm right, yes they will.
अच्छा, एक क्लाइंटल क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ आपसे,
Yes.
टिपिकल क्लाइंटल क्वेश्चन कि द डे यू स्टार्टेड, आई गेस ऑलमोस्ट 2 years, 1.5 year तो हो गया है,
Yes, yes.
तो 1.5 year ago you started, and अब what difference you are seeing in yourself and also in your career wise कि सोशल मीडिया से ये मेरे अंदर ये चेंज आया एंड मेरे करियर में ये चेंज आया?
आई वुड से मेरे अंदर ज़्यादा चेंज आया है.
अच्छा.
ठीक है. When I go and see my first video, I laugh at it. Frankly
I still
speaking, I
remember.
laugh at it. It was very difficult for me to shoot that my first video. Now my confidence level is on camera. It is comparatively much more. I am much more comfortable and friendly with the camera, I would say. But when I shot that first video, I took almost, I would say, 100 shots to get that one
I
video
still remember
right.
that
And when I see that, I still go back. I would not say that it was right, but yeah, that is what I did. So that confidence, that comfortable or that friendliness with the camera has come over a period of time. And this is, like, I would say, self-growth, self-development. So now I'm more confident in telling people and in talking about what I want to talk to them.
एंड कोई पेशेंट्स जिससे कभी अप्रोच करते हैं कि आपका ये रील ना अच्छा नहीं था? मतलब मेरे को तो बहुत जन बोलते हैं कि तुम्हारा ये रील,
नेगेटिव फीडबैक तो नहीं मिला, पॉजिटिव काफ़ी मिलता है.
ऐसे पॉजिटिव मिला है?
Yes, yes, definitely there are people walking into my clinic or my hospital and telling me कि ma'am your page is really helping us. It is giving us the right kind of information we need. Because when you go to Google, they will give you everything in positives and negatives.
अगर headache हो रहा है तो
Some is
cancer
right.
है.
Yes, correct. I to tell my patients, you go on Google, search headache and you have a brain tumor.
ब्रेन ट्यूमर, कैंसर हो
Yes.
गया, यू आर गोइंग टू डाई इन 1 month.
Correct. You don't have time to live now.
यही होता है.
Yes. So the right source of information is very important. People who have put up information on Google, they are mix of everything. But when it comes from, when as a, I would say, when as a audience, if I see my reel, that information, the content is coming from a doctor. So yes, definitely it's more authentic, more trustworthy.
In today's world, जैसे biotechnology is evolving a lot. It's, what I am a tech savvy person, so I am seeing technology evolving in biological mass
Yes.
a lot. पहले इतना नहीं था. अभी आफ्टर कोविड एक्चुअली ज़्यादा रिसर्च पे लोग पैसा लगा रहे हैं, गवर्नमेंट भी लगा रही है, एंड पुलिंग आउट दैट इंफॉर्मेशन. तो इज़ इट गुड? मतलब अकॉर्डिंग टू अ डॉक्टर, obviously give you information, but is biotech and its interference of robots or AI modules in medical line, is it actually good and actually helping?
Yes, it is. See, recently in our hospital, we have started with the robotic surgery, and now we are experts at that. We are able to operate patients much better. There are certain areas, when we talk about surgeries, there are certain areas which was very difficult and tedious for us, or I would say almost near to impossible to operate without that invention, the robotics and everything. But now we are doing it with ease. So yes, this is one part, robotics and AI and everything. All these newer version of technology is definitely going to help.
Like जब Apple Vision launch हुआ, तो उसके कुछ महीने बाद there was a video of a doctor released in US जो Apple Vision पहन के सर्जरी कर रहा था, and he was seeing all the reports in front of his eyes and also doing the surgery, seeing the live feed also there. क्या लगता है ये इंडिया में चलेगा?
इंडिया में चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा पता नहीं, बट इंडिया में आने में बहुत टाइम लगने वाला है. वी सी वहाँ पर when we talk about US and everything, the number of doctors available for their population is significantly less. Less, yes.
Okay.
I have had friends who moved from India to US, and when they shifted to you, when they were shifting to US, they were all gaga about it. Wow, we are shifting to this US and this is going to be life changing for us and everything. But when they shifted and then they have a, let's say, stomach pain, then they message us Indian doctors ki I'm, hello Dr. Ankita, hi, I'm having all this, what should I be doing? I said, go to the hospital. So they're like, hospital appointment is after 1 month, but I'm having
After
stomach pain.
1 month?
Yes, I'm having stomach pain now. What am I supposed to
Hospital
do?
appointment. First of all, they have to take an appointment.
Yes. Indians take this luxury, I would say, when it comes to doctor availability of doctors in India, it should be treated as a luxury. But we as a Indians, we don't take it. Yes. रात को for a problem जो हमें 1 महीने से है, we will choose to come to a doctor at night 2 o'clock. ठीक है? And the doctor
When
will
it
come.
is at peak, जब वो एकदम peak पे हो जाता है.
Yes, and doctor will come and see us.
Yes.
ठीक है? And उसके बाद we will question, are you sure I have this problem? Are you sure I'm supposed to get this ultrasound done? ये Indian patients करते
डॉक्टर
हैं.
ऐसे ही लिख दिया है.
हाँ, this is just money making business. ये बहुत एक common perception है लोगों का कि this is money making business. I don't need this ultrasound. All I have this problem is since 1 month थोड़ा थोड़ा पेन हो रहा है, ज़्यादा नहीं है ना. But नहीं, when the same person goes to US and has that same stomach pain, उसका अपॉइंटमेंट ही 1 मंथ के बाद आएगा. आप बाकी सारा काम साइड में रख के उस अपॉइंटमेंट के लिए जाओगे, क्योंकि अगर आपने वो मिस कर दिया ना तो आपको वापस नहीं मिलने वाला है वो अपॉइंटमेंट. आई हैव हैड सो मेनी पेशेंट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम US because they got diagnosed with a particular gynec problem there and they were given a date for surgery after 2 months. Okay, so what they do is they choose to travel to India, visit us, get operated and go back, and this all is done with a span of 1 to 2 weeks.
जो उसको 2 महीने बाद अपॉइंटमेंट मिलता है.
2 महीने बाद उसको अपॉइंटमेंट था, उसने 2 हफ्ते में सब रिकवर होके नाउ शी इज बैक होम.
They will come here India,
Yes.
get treated and then go back.
Get operated
हाँ.
and recovery period is done and now they are back to US, back to their work and spend much lesser amount.
अच्छा, ओवरऑल लेसर अमाउंट.
Yes.
मतलब आना जाना का लेके भी लेसर अमाउंट.
Correct.
So it is that expensive over
That
there.
expensive, less availability, everything is like that.
मतलब इट्स अ ह्यूज मिथ कि वहाँ पर ट्रीटमेंट अच्छा होता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
टेक्नोलॉजी हो सकता है बेटर हो.
Okay.
अगेन आई एम not dealing with the techs they are dealing with right now, so definitely technicalities ज़्यादा better हो सकती हैं, I would say, but when it comes to a surgical skill or
It's
our
more or less
ability
the
to
same.
yes, it is more or less the same. And if you go and do your research or if you go on Google and search, there's a huge number of Indian doctors who is settled in US and they are treating
I
US people.
always wanted to ask this question to a doctor.
Yes.
I'm asking to you कि जैसे मुन्ना भाई MBBS देखा है आपने?
बिल्कुल देखा है.
उसमें वो होता ना कि एक उसको स्कैल्पर देता है, बोलता है कि शो मी दिस. द मोमेंट इट टेक्स एंड बॉडी देखता है एंड देन फेल डाउन. तो क्या ये ऐसा हो सकता है? मतलब हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस? ऑब्वियसली आपने भी किया ही है ये.
यस, मैंने किया है. तो व्हेन वी आर इन MBBS के फर्स्ट ईयर में ना देयर इज़ अ सब्जेक्ट नोन एज एनाटमी. एनाटमी में व्हाट वी स्टडी कि बॉडी में कौन सा ऑर्गन कहाँ है, कौन सी बोन कहाँ है, कौन सा मसल कहाँ है, एवरीथिंग ये हमें पढ़ाया जाता है.
अच्छा हो जाता होगा ना, मतलब इंटरेस्टिंग रहता होगा.
तो उसके लिए हमारे पास कैडेवर्स रहते हैं. कैडेवर्स इज़ लाइक डेड बॉडीज जो कि प्रोसेस करके रखी गई हैं ताकि वो लॉन्ग टाइम तक रहें. तो वो कैडेवर्स रहते हैं हमारे पास. इट्स ह्यूमन, कभी वो लाइव ह्यूमन थे, उनके ऊपर हमें स्टडी करना रहता है. तो it was a first class, I remember very well. I entered my anatomy ka lab and there were 5 cadavers on the table and I was like, oh my god, I am going to have the worst nightmare of my life. So that was my first experience, I would say, or first reaction when I saw that. And very funnily, when I had my first, not my patient, but when I was studying gynec, okay, when I witnessed my first delivery, I almost fainted. Seeing all the blood and everything, I almost fainted. And if I go back and talk to that Ankita, who almost fainted, I would say she would not believe that, yeah, she will be a gynecologist one day.
अच्छा, I've also heard this, मतलब I don't know whether I should be asking it on camera or not, but अब एक मूवी था, some English movie, उसमें ये था कि there were 2 couples getting pregnant and delivering हुआ and then the husband were making fun कि because वहाँ पर ये था कि they were able to get in the delivery room and everything and they were like कि she pooped a lot. This was the conversation. Is this real?
Yes, yes, it is very much real. See, when the delivery is happening, I would say the place from where somebody passes urine, the urethra,
Correct.
the vagina from where the delivery is happening, and the anus from where the motion is passing. Everything is close by, back to back, 1, 2, 3. So when the baby is coming, the head of the baby is putting lot of pressure on the anus or the rectum also. So yeah, when the baby is delivering, of course the motion is
normal.
going to come out, and it is very much normal, and it happens
All the
most of the
time.
times.
So it would be hard as a doctor, no? मतलब as a normal human being, तो it would be something else.
We focus on our work. My work is to deliver that patient safely and bring that child safely to the world.
So I have seen one more thing कि teenagers मतलब right now from the age of 14, 16, 15 they're facing a lot of hormonal issues and I have seen they are having a hesitation or a fear to go to a gynecologist कि society क्या बोलेगा. आपके पास कुछ patients आते हैं out of this in the
See,
young age
yes, I
and
would
what
say.
are the common मतलब disease या कुछ issues लेके वो आते हैं.
ठीक है. So yeah, this is very common, I would say, and I would blame the environment, our food, our the kind
Our
of
food?
Yes, our food.
Okay.
We are more towards fast food now. So nutrition तो कुछ है नहीं उसमें, ठीक है?
Correct.
And there are certain things like which we sometimes ignore, plastic containers. उसके साथ साथ जो नैनो माइक्रो प्लास्टिक्स हमारी बॉडी में जा रहा है, so we are feeding the same thing to our children. The kind of food we are getting is available in the market. Everything is hybrid, everything is altered, nothing we are getting in natural form.
Correct.
Everything is adulterated. Whether you go for milk, you go for vegetables, you go for fruits, something which is labeled as organic, we don't know is it actually organic or not. And that is all we are putting into our body. Even if we try our best and cook everything at home, make everything neat and
Still
clean,
it is not
still
one-
there are certain chemicals going into our body, and we cannot deny that. We are more, I would say, dependent on processed food, frozen food. That was not happening before or earlier, in earlier generations, I
Correct.
would say. So that is one thing, our food. We, on the name of westernization or the modernization, I would say, we are eating more of Korean, pizza,
हाँ ये
burger,
actually ज़्यादा है.
and all these things.
कोरियन पूरा इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे हैं इंडिया को इन केस ऑफ एवरीथिंग.
या कोरियंस में क्या है, नूडल्स 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 मेजॉरिटी टाइम्स.
नहीं, इट्स नॉट ओनली फूड, their way of looking, their way of lifestyle,
Yes.
their movies, drama, everything.
Yes. So the kind of food we are eating, the kind, like again I said, the exposure to plastic, okay, and there's one more thing like fragrance, okay. Majority people
Okay.
are not aware about this, but the fragrance, everything now, everybody wants everything fresh smelling, floral smelling.
Correct.
Even to the sanitary pads.
Yes.
Sanitary pads are coming with
हाँ,
fragrance.
scented.
Yeah, scented and good smelling.
हाँ.
They are not supposed to smell good. They are not supposed to, but they are smelling. So what is all that? That is all chemicals. That is harmful things. So those fragrances are ultimately going into our system, and they are majorly hormonal disruptors. They are messing up with hormones of young boys and young girls. So when these kind of things are happening on a very regular basis, you go for soap, you go for any hand wash, body lotion, anything in the house is scented, fragrant.
हाँ.
So they are ultimately disrupting the hormone of the child. Physically, I would say the physical activity in present generation is much lesser when we compare to our generation. The amount of time our kids are spending on social media, iPads
much more.
or phones is on TV is much more compared to what we did. Outdoor activities, outdoor play तो चला ही गया है.
Like I guess 10 तक या 11 तक we were not aware कि ऐसा कुछ होता भी है सोशल मीडिया.
तो ये सब it plays the role, hormone disrupt होते हैं, and ultimately it leads to early menarche, early puberty is one thing.
Yes, I think
So
that is
early
a
puberty
huge
is,
thing.
yes, early puberty is one thing which I see in my clinic very commonly. very commonly. And sometimes not attaining puberty, that also happens.
Okay. Not attaining puberty at
Till
all.
very late age, till 16, 17.
That
because
is
of the
also an area
yes,
of concern.
Yes,
And
definitely.
early is also an area of
Yes.
concern. So,
There was a time when I would say when we were young or when we were studying, around 13 or 12 was the age, or I would say 14, 12 to 14 was the age when girls used to attain menarche. Their first period used to come in that
Correct.
particular time. Now we are seeing girls as young as 8 or 9 with their first period. Imagine a girl of 9-year or 8-year old to handle or to go through that whole situation every month and pain. So it is definitely going to hamper the mental health of the child also, along with the physical.
what I want to ask is, when such kind of patients come, such young patients, do you see their parents accompany them or they are coming alone?
No, most of the times it is the parents.
Okay.
They are brought by the parents. Some cases, yes, I have seen when they did not tell certain things to the parents, or parents were too busy with their own thing, building career or whatever reason. They were very busy and not bringing the child on time to us. Yes. Recently, I had a child. She was 17 years old. She had not attained her puberty. So, when we talk about the puberty, before the period actually comes, the breast development is one thing which happens. But this child, I would say child nahi, young girl, she was 17 and she had no breast development, nothing at all. But I don't know why the mother, I did spoke to the mother, but mother chose not to bring her to the doctor, or thought ki eventually it will happen. It is taking its own natural time. She thought it will take time and it is not happening. I wish that mother would have brought that girl to us much earlier.
I think seeing this podcast, she might.
Maybe.
मतलब major problem क्या आएंगी if there is a late puberty?
When the see, everything has to be on right time. When puberty happens, the reproductive organ of the girl is developing. There are
Correct.
some changes in her body. So if that is not happening at the right age, definitely it is going to affect her fertility, her menstrual health, her physical health in future. Definitely that is going to happen.
Okay. Last, to sum up this thing, this always, everyone says in the society that women are very hard to understand. मतलब अगर आप बनारस आओगे तो वहाँ पर ये कहावत है कि जिनको महादेव नहीं समझ सकते उनको आप क्या समझेंगे. मतलब we often
I
hear
understand.
this.
I understood.
So how complicated are women, and are they really complicated, or is there stigma?
So आपका जो क्वेश्चन है कि गर्ल्स को समझना बहुत मुश्किल है क्या, तो आई एम अ वुमेन, so I'm going to talk about, or for the woman, I would say it is not impossible to understand a woman, but yeah, it can be difficult. Why it is difficult? Because men don't hear, don't listen. If you go to your wife or if you go to any other female, you know, हमें इतनी ज़्यादा बातें करने की आदत है, हम आधी बातें तो खुद ही बता देते हैं कि हमको क्या चाहिए out of this relationship or out of this situation. हमें क्या चाहिए, we talk it out. We talk it out.
We think.
No, we don't think, we do. But the problem is, guys don't listen.
That can be
So,
also.
or you are too busy with something else and you think कि हाँ इसने तो मुझे बताया ही नहीं. There is the problem कि सुनते कम हो. I know all the men are going to come behind me for this.
They are going to comment कि we are here to listen. Tell the correct thing.
No,
Look,
we talk it out.
Right now, I think, I don't know about your perception, but what I have seen in my life, कि it happens कि if suppose we men, ठीक है, we want to have a cup of tea, let's have a cup of tea, ठीक है, आओ चलो चाय पीते, done. Single thing. Suppose you want to have a cup of tea, I want to have something hot which is good in taste.
Yeah.
अरे तो
There are other
many
options
things.
also, no? There are options of coffee, tea, hot
milk.
chocolate.
Exactly.
There are so many options.
Then how is the
And
man
when it we
supposed
talk-
to know that it is tea?
It is tea.
हाँ कि
You
ये
have
कैसे
to-
पता चलेगा?
You have to understand that woman.
That is.
I said,
See,
see, I
he
said it is not
started laughing.
impossible. I said it is hard. It is hard.
It is hard. It is art.
It is an art.
I will say
very
it is
very
an art.
correct. Very good.
It is an art.
It is an art to understand a woman. You have to master that art to understand your partner.
So ऐसा कुछ आता है मतलब प्रेगनेंसी के तौर पे, बिकॉज प्रेगनेंसी क्रेविंग्स आर देयर, मेनी हार्मोनल चेंजेस आर देयर.
Yes.
कभी ऐसा कोई पेशेंट आता है कि मैम व्हाट टू डू विद दिस गाय, ही इज नॉट एट ऑल एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई वांट.
नहीं, मेरे पास रिवर्स में आता है.
अच्छा, रिवर्स में आता है.
रिवर्स में आता है. लाइक आई सेड कि वी आर ऑल फोकसिंग ऑन वुमेन हेल्थ एंड एवरीथिंग. कहीं ना कहीं हमारे बेचारे मेन थोड़े लैग बिहाइंड हो जाते हैं व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द प्रेगनेंसी. नो, आई एम नॉट बीइंग पार्शियल, बट या व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द प्रेगनेंसी एंड एवरीथिंग, आई अंडरस्टैंड when we compare the present generation of men with our fathers or other generation, आज की generation के men, they are more aware, they are more involved, I would say that, because I'm seeing that on a regular basis in my clinic. So they are more available comparatively. ठीक है, they are more aware of the situation. They know कि उनकी wife को mood swings हो रहे हैं. ठीक है, they know कि उनकी wife is going through physical changes. ठीक है, so I do get patient के husbands or sometimes brothers, sometimes fathers also, they coming to me and asking कि मैम इसको आई अंडरस्टैंड कि मूड स्विंग्स हो रहे हैं, इसको गुस्सा आता है, ये इरिटेट होती रहती है, बट इसको हैंडल कैसे करना है वो बताओ, टेल अस दैट. सो एंड दे आर आस्किंग, आई वुड अप्रिशिएट ऑल दोज मेन कमिंग एंड आस्किंग because they are ready to make that change.
Correct.
They are ready to do that bit for their wives, for their daughters, for their sisters. वो नहीं था पहले, अभी वो है. And
पहले
I would say I would appreciate all the men for doing that.
पहले आई गेस ये इतना इसलिए भी नहीं था ना मैम, बिकॉज देयर वर सो मेनी मेंबर्स इन द फैमिली टू एक्चुअली टेक केयर ऑफ दैट पार्ट.
But nobody can replace the partner.
हाँ, that is true.
Nobody can do what your partner can do. Nobody can provide you the same amount or the same strength which your partner can provide.
बट अभी भी आपने मेरा आंसर नहीं दिया. माई क्वेश्चन वॉज कि जैसे समझे कैसे, दैट इज एक्चुअली माई क्वेश्चन.
Ask directly.
अच्छा,
Ask
टॉकिंग इज
directly.
द
Talking. Communication is the key of any relationship. It is always better to ask. See, when you said कि हम फीमेल्स को नहीं समझ सकते, वैसे वो भी आपको नहीं समझ सकते. Nobody is a mind reader here. Everybody has to talk it out loud and clear what their requirement is from a particular situation or a relationship. Same goes when you think you are doing best in the given situation. When you think you are doing best in the given situation, but it is not enough for your partner, for your pregnant wife, if you are not able to understand properly, then go and ask her कि I am doing this, I think I am doing best I can, but if you think this is not enough, then let me know what more I can do.
So seeing all this conversation, क्या आपके पास unmarried couples भी आते हैं to seek advice? Because I don't think that is a problem कि unmarried couples आए.
Usually unmarried couples आते हैं for कि yeah, we are planning to get married to this partner. Is it okay? Like, you know, pre-marital counseling, I would say.
अच्छा.
हाँ, not for the same reason कि इनको कैसे better understand करें, but yeah, is this the right person to get married? Is this
Okay, medically. Okay.
genetically? Because like I said, people are more aware about the everything. So yeah, they are more aware about the genetic problems which can happen in the families if they are not married to compatible partner.
Okay, this is also a thing.
Yes, it is.
कि genetic problems हो सकती है.
Yes, if the wife or I would say the female partner is carrier for some medical condition, and if the male partner is also the carrier of the same condition, then there are very very high
And
chances
then
of the baby
what
getting
test they do?
There is full genetic panel to be done for that.
Okay.
And that I would advise for somebody who really has a family history, or if they are very much, you know, they really want to get into all that.
Family history of what?
Any genetic conditions in the family.
Like diabetes, thyroid.
Not diabetes, thyroid. Like there are, I would say, there are multiple genetic problems. See, if you have any child in the family who is mentally differently abled, I
Autism.
would say. Autism is not genetic, I would say.
Okay.
But somebody with Down syndrome.
Down syndrome.
Yeah, Down syndrome is pretty common nowadays. Okay, something like some small things like color blindness.
कलर ब्लाइंडनेस.
Yes.
बहुत सारे लोगों को तो पता ही नहीं होता कि दे आर कलर ब्लाइंड.
Yes, so there are certain things in the family if that is running in the family, and if you want to get yourself tested कि ये problems हैं actually, is this the right person to get married? Because I don't want my child to have the similar problem.
And couples do come.
Yes, couple do comes, they do get a premarital screening done for conditions like sickle cell anemia, for thalassemia. These are certain blood related conditions which are very common and often missed, and it becomes more common if you are not married to the right partner.
Just last thing to ask कि IVF एक ऐसा इंडस्ट्री और ऐसा ट्रीटमेंट which is now being taken care by almost everyone. What I'm seeing the trend is we do have clients, we are seeing the trend when we go to their offices. We are seeing from young age to even to the elderly age,
Yes.
सब आ रहे हैं. Even जो अभी केस हुआ सिद्धू मूसेवाला, the guy died, the parents went for IVF at such old age. After I guess 50 plus 55 plus में they took IVF. तो मतलब ये this is I believe this is like literally playing with your body.
I would not say that playing with your body. I would say that it is the need of the hour. ठीक है, like I said कि now we are exposed to a different kind of food and different kind of products all around us which is hampering our fertility. Like I spoke about girls attaining puberty at a very early
Correct.
age. So every female is born with a particular number of eggs. So when that child is attaining puberty at a very early age, definitely her eggs are going to get exhausted at an early age. So yes, the pregnancy or the fertility becomes a problem for her.
But some couples do it intentionally. They think that they can have twins at once and relax off. और they will means ये conception चल रहा है कि ठीक है we will ask the doctor कि हमें बेटा ही हो जाए, हमें twins ही हो जाए, बस खत्म है, एक बेटा एक बेटी twins में हो गया, sorted for life.
Choosing that कि बेटा हो जाए या बेटी हो जाए, एक बेटा एक बेटी हो जाए, that is definitely not legal in
Obviously,
India.
it is not, and it's not possible also, I guess.
No, it is possible.
Okay.
But it is not legal in India and it is not happening in India. But yeah, what you are talking about कि twins हो जाएं या हमको we don't have this kind of time to get into all this pregnancy and everything. So yes, there are certain patients who are falling into that category, but the number is small. The number is small.
Currently.
More people going for IVF are the ones who actually need it medically. Not just out of their curiosity or the desire, but it is the medical need.
So it is not harmful to the body.
Again, that is very controversial thing because when we are
Because
going,
I want to know this.
when we are talking about IVF or any specific treatment which we are taking to get pregnant, definitely it involves giving you a lot of medications, lot of hormones from outside.
Exactly.
So definitely it is going to have some or the other side effects. Nothing comes without side effect. Okay, so it is going to give you that side effect. But when it is done in couple who actually need it medically, then more
that's
than
fine.
side effect, it is going to do
Exactly.
the good for you.
Yes.
You were waiting for that beautiful soul, beautiful young child in your life, it is going to give you that.
हाँ, that is fine. But मेरे हिसाब से आजकल का जो ट्रेंड रह रहा है कि फोकस ऑन योर करियर टिल 35, उसके बाद ट्राई नहीं हुआ तो गो फॉर IVF. वेरी सिंपल, वेरी इजी टू डू.
Because they have that option available in the market.
But I think that is the worst thing that can be done.
Yes, I agree to that part. I agree to that part कि yes, it can. If
मतलब वाई उस करियर का करोगे क्या आप, उस पैसे का करोगे क्या आप? अल्टीमेटली यू आर एग्जॉस्टिंग दैट मनी इन IVF, in treatments. What is the use of having that career?
see when I have seen many couples when they are young, ठीक है, I have seen like in their early 20s they got married, they got pregnant, but they don't want to continue that pregnancy because they think they are very young to continue the pregnancy. They want to focus on other things right now. I always counsel them otherwise that don't go for abortion. Try and continue this pregnancy because it's never a right time for anything. It's now. If you're pregnant now, carry this, continue this, and take care of this child. do everything side by side. Some people do understand that, some people don't. They are very they are determined कि no, this is not the right time for them. They want to do this on a later date. But what is going to happen at a later date, we don't know. Right now she got pregnant all naturally,
Correct.
but we cannot commit what is going to happen after 5 years. So yes, there are patients who did abortion at an early age, but after 5 years when they're planning
They are
pregnancy,
not able to conceive.
they're just running to different hospital with a big fat file,
And at
and
that
they are
time,
not able to get conceived.
and उस समय
Ultimately,
गिल्ट रहे कि कोई मतलब नहीं है.
कोई मतलब नहीं है, कोई मतलब नहीं है.
God gave you a chance, you missed it, simply.
Again, it's about priorities. What somebody wants at that particular time is that.
I think career nowadays has become so important that it is really consuming one's inner self.
Career should be important. I would not
No,
differ
career should
from
be
that.
important, but
Yes,
it has
I would not
become
differ
a
from
priority
that.
over health.
I would not say that. I would say, see, when a female, as a female, if I have to choose between my career or my childbirth, it's a very difficult thing for me to decide.
Absolutely.
I will give a very personal example. Okay. So basically, I was supposed to join my college from August, and in the same year, I got pregnant April. So April I got pregnant, and I was supposed to join college for 3 years in August. Now what am I supposed to do? And in a medical college, doing your PG while pregnancy, it can be very very difficult. But I had a good support system. I had my in-laws to back me up. They were like, okay, you just do your bit, we will take care of the child. So having that support system is very important. I had that luxury to not to choose and not to compromise on either.
Correct.
I had just two options: either go for abortion or miss the college. Missing the college was almost impossible because getting into that college is very difficult.
And you didn't want to go
Yes.
for abortion also.
Abortion also I didn't want it to go. But I had that kind of support system. So yes, after my delivery, my in-laws took care of my child and I took care of my PG. Not everybody, I would say not everybody had that luxury or gets that chance to not choose between either. So when they have to, they will compromise on something.
They will take the option
Yes,
A.
they will.
कि ठीक है, let's pause on the baby part, let's focus on
Yes.
the career part. I think that will sum up this podcast, and it was really great talking to you, knowing you more. And I think आप भी मेरे को और जाने कि what I am, कि what kind of person I am, maybe. But to sum up all these things, any last words जो आप viewers को you can tell in the camera, any advice you like to give the audience, anything?
This is a very, I would say that when we talk about your physical health, in present times everybody is trying to get fit and physically. Don't forget your mental health. Whenever you are in doubt, always and always seek medical help. That is my message at the end. Whether it's you or your partner or any other family member, whenever you feel that extra help is required, please do that extra bit and go and seek your medical help.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. How are
Hello.
you?
Good.
So I would like to tell all the viewers कि this is the most funny, amazing and fun-loving doctor I have met. Because हमारे यहाँ क्या होता है ना, doctor means पहली बात तो डॉक्टर नहीं बोलते, आई एम फ्रॉम बनारस, तो वहाँ बोलते डॉक्टर साहब, है ना, दे डोंट से डॉक्टर, डॉक्टर साहब नमस्ते, तो डॉक्ट हो जाता है डॉक्टर साहब। तो मैम हमारा परसेप्शन ये बना है दैट यू आर फन लविंग, नॉलेजेबल एंड द मोस्ट क्रिएटिव डॉक्टर आई हैव मेट इन माई जर्नी 2-3 years जो भी हैदराबाद में हुआ है। हाउ हैज़ बिन योर जर्नी अभी तक? हाउ हैज़ डॉक्टरी आपको कैसा लगा, कैसा आपका इवॉल्विंग हुआ? कुछ इफ़ यू वांट टू शेयर समथिंग।
ओके, सो व्हेन आई वाज यंग, जब मैं छोटी थी तभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं था कि डॉक्टर बनेंगे, बट इवेंचुअली व्हेन वी ग्रो अप, जब हम अपने आसपास लोगों को देखते हैं।
आप कहाँ से हो मैम?
मैं एक्चुअली आगरा से हूँ।
आगरा से?
हाँ, वहीं पे आई स्टडीड, ग्रोन अप, माई फैमिली स्टिल इन आगरा, and I got married in Maharashtra, but eventually I came to Hyderabad and settled here for almost last 10 years now.
तो आगरा में ही लास्ट मतलब अपना कॉलेज वाले सब आपने आगरा में किया?
Not proper in Agra, but yeah, UP and
UP
Uttaranchal
में?
around it. Yes.
So means you are familiar about the UP culture?
Yes, yes, very
तो
much.
यूपी से आप हो,
Yes.
चौहान हो,
Yes.
और उसके बाद यहाँ मुंबई से सेटल हुआ,
नहीं,
हैदराबादी।
हैदराबाद।
सो मतलब क्या चेंज लगा था पहली बार जब आप आए थे?
Frankly speaking, when we come from somewhere like UP to Hyderabad, Hyderabad seems to be much friendlier, much safer, and people are like they own you. They talk to you as if कि हाँ सब घर के ही हैं. It's not उतना difference
यूपी
feel
वाले
नहीं
गोली
होता.
मारते हैं मैम आपको?
लिटरली तो नहीं, बट हाँ वैसा ही कुछ समझ लीजिए.
अच्छा, ऐसा कुछ इंस्टेंस हुआ था आपके साथ?
नहीं नहीं, वैसा कुछ नहीं हुआ, बट
अच्छा,
yes,
अगर कंपैरिजन करना पड़े, यूपी अच्छा है कि हैदराबाद?
यूपी मेरा घर है तो वो हमेशा ही अच्छा रहेगा, बट अगर जनरली देखो तो यूपी और हैदराबाद में हैदराबाद इज़ मच सेफर प्लेस, आई वुड से दैट.
हाँ.